Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a craft room tour model organized. Let's get to it.
The room looks like right now. Look at that. Children. This is how it looks like. That's a closet that I have there. That's some toys. That's a dresser. This is fixable. Don't even worry about it. This is a dresser with my clothes on. These are like my clothes. This is my husband and this is my husband. So there's a dresser that I want to remove. There's that little dresser which I have things, but since it's there, I tend to put things there and I can't open it well. And there is all of my mess right there. And printer, my sewing machine, and everything. And then there's my door, and then there is other things, and then this table that I usually work on. Hi Leila. But it is my husband's. It's a little table. It's a rubber, it's not Rubbermaid, it's a Lifetime, and it's foldable, and it kind of goes higher up a bit, and it's very nice. And then there's this couch which usually just gets piled on with things in my window. And what I originally want is to fix all of this, take my body from here, try to figure out something with that. I don't know with this, and I don't know with that if I replace it, put it here or something. But that is why I want to get rid of it, because see, I have a lot of stuff there that usually it's a working table, but it's over there and I need light. So I want to be next to the light over here whenever I work on something, and not having to move from here to here because the light is here, you know what I mean? So that is how it looks, and you will see how it will look later. Yeah, and that's a project I'm working on. Look at that, it's clean. I got this new table from Amazon. Right now I have my laptop right there, and then this fairy that I need to fix. But overall, that's how it's going to be looking. Remember, we had the couch here before. Now it's over here. I kind of had to take away the foot so they could fit, so I could open my closet over here. There we have it. And then this side, excuse the bottom part, I still have to do progress there. But over here now I only have my sewing machine. My top part right there is still messy. I'm still gonna look for, like, set it up a little bit better. And Cricut Air Explorer is out. I can use it more often. And then this is all area for doing crafts, and I'm able to record. My laptop is all movable, you know, like that's why it's in my lap thingy. But other than that, that's how it looks. Look at that. That's my planner right there. My drawers with things I can do crafts with. My glue gun. Come put that in the bathroom. And Hello Kitty there. I put these lights up here, and then these frames were my nieces gave them to me. I think it was for a birthday. They're my dream catcher, the unicorn from the dollar store. I think I got this Hello Kitty. I got it when I can't remember how old I turned, but my sister gave this to me, and I like the little frame very much. Then for now I put the little thing with my hot glue sticks, my camera, and my little jewelry box. Right here I leave my memory cards and my memory stick, what do you call it, SD like the little connections, my pens. Barely bought this one. This is my where I listen to music, my planner. And then over here my other kind of a music, my turntable. I did this one for Leila's birthday, and I have Miss Teapot here, and then this one was for our niece's birthday, and she had this as table centers. Now with this, I don't like them to be yellow. I'm gonna be painting it or Mod Podging it with something. I'm not sure yet. Over here I have my tripod and Luna. And this is some things for my banners for photography, which I have my walls here. And then my puzzle, me over here, my ukulele, my couch, cactus pillow, and Mexican dolls. And then my Mexican doll. And then over here I have also a birthday Alice thing. And little trinkets here. And then this little basket. Right now it got messy because my husband got this here. But I have my threads and some ribbons. My little Virgen de Guadalupe. Now this is like, you know, like I can move it this way so I can work on it. And then there's nothing behind it. I can push it back. I'm going to be replacing the strawberry thing and revamping this. And then right there is nothing. But other than that, I think it's a great upper up. It looks much better. Now I have a new background for when I record this way. And I wanted the natural light when I do the DIYs. And you can see I have fans. That's why all my things are up there and not in tables, because then they'll get them. And down there it's just like that. And my little stool can be moving from this table to this table. It is awesome. Yay. Well, yep. That is all that I have for you guys today with the makeover of my craft room and the table. I will link it down below. It is from Amazon. In the description box I will link it. And to see if you like it. It looks, it's pretty sturdy. It looks like it's going to be a nice material, even though my husband didn't like it. But yep, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Hey,